Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access cPanel on Bluehost Hosting. To find it, it's pretty simple. You log into your account. Now you're, for example, on homepage like I am. And then, as you can see, there's a cPanel email. This is not an option. This is not where you find the cPanel access. You're going to go to websites right there. Now you will find your website and you're going to click on settings. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of options here, a lot of tabs. So what you want to click is actually advanced. And now you will find here a lot of things like file manager, databases, phpMyAdmin. But if you want cPanel, this is where it is at the bottom. You're gonna click on manage and you will be redirected to the cPanel like so. And here, as you can see, you can find all of the tools right here and search for them right there at the search tools. So you will find it here. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.